Hey everybody, this is Hyundai Sonata. The issue with this car is customer complaint is, let me start the car now. Okay, so customer complaint is this car is stop at idle sometime, and sometime it's take long cranking to get started. But right now I start the car, it's starting perfectly fine. And as per customer, they replaced the high pressure fuel pump in last workshop, and still car have the same issue. So I'm going to have a look on this, what's exactly in this car. So let me just hook up my scan tool and I will show you guys. So guys, scan tool is hooked up and let's see. Low pressure fuel system, high deviation between target and current pressure. So this is the fault code. It's a common fault codes in Hyundai's. Let me check the data stream. Okay, let me have a look on fuel. Fuel pressure. Oh, it's come fuel pressure. Yes. Just hold on a second, guys. Okay, guys. So that's the fuel pressure's readings. Actually, I'm not much expert to read this type of readings, but anyway, if you can see here, the set point pressure, fuel pressure set point values is 666, and this is the computer want to see. And actual fuel pressure in high pressure side, it's like both are the same and no issue. Deviation of pressure set point, angle to close, open. Anyway, where is okay, this is absolute electrical fuel pump low pressure set point is 50 psi. Okay, the set point value is actually these are the value computer want to see here, but where is the low pressure fuel? Where is the low pressure fuel? It's not here. So these readings are looking fine to me, but the fault code is showing that the problem in the low pressure side. So hold on a second, let me check again. So hey guys, here the issue. If you can see the set point of low fuel pressure electrical side, it's 50 psi. That's computer wanna see exactly in the system, FPCM I believe. And the current pressure is 24 psi. It's almost like half. 26 psi is missing, and someone changed this high pressure fuel pump blindly, because they, as per the owner of this car, they told me, the workshop told that's the common issue in high pressure fuel pump. So they right away replaced the fuel pump, high pressure fuel pump, but the problem is still there. Right now car is fine, it's taking good acceleration, no issue. But as per my experience, this pressure is not accurate, so I'm going to verify this. Anyway, I'm not going to use any type of pressure gauge, because already pressure gauge is in the OBD and it's giving correct reading. So what I'm going to do, I will pull up the relay from the fuse box, and if there is any change in this reading, so it's mean it's the correct reading. So let me do that. I need assistant for this, and we dig further after that. I'm driving this car right now in a highway. It's driving fine, but the acceleration is not smooth. It feels a bit heavy. Sorry for that. So As I remove my foot from acceleration, the PSI voltage start dropping. And guys, I'm driving the car right now. It's driving fine, but it's not giving good throttle response. It's a bit delay, and if you can see, if I give more accelerator, the actual value is sometime drop, and once I leave the accelerator, sometime it's go on 15. So 100% this is the issue with the low pressure fuel pump. So guys, here the situation now. See, the PSI is 3 PSI only. It's coming from the fuel pump. Check engine is on, and car is shutting off automatically. Look at that. The pressure is dropped like almost 0 psi in low pressure side. So car is stopping automatically. She did that 3-4 times at idle, and it have late. Now it's have late start as well. Start right away. See, now it's taking long crank to start. And look at here. So the issue with the low pressure fuel pump, this is confirmed. So I'm going to replace this now, and will share with you the information. So hey guys, we removed the fuel pump out, and it's leaking from here. It's leaking from the filter, so that's why it's losing pressure. So anyway, we are going to replace this whole assembly now, and we'll see. Look what we found here. This fuel pump filter is leaking from his bottom joint. So that's the exact issue in the car. Car is losing pressure from here. Everybody, the fuel pump is replaced now. So the cause of this fuel pump, actually the fuel filter is leaking from the bottom. It's losing all the pressure inside, and we replaced the fuel pump already. Let me hook up the scanner again, and we check again if there is any type of fault codes in the car. Scan tool is hooked up, and let's see. Okay, so the relative electrical fuel pump pressure is 65 now, but before it's giving 26 at cold start. Now the car is fully cold, and the pressure is about to 65. Before it's not going higher than 26, guys. So this is fixed now. So I'm recording this video at night because outside weather is so hot. It's 50 degrees with 90% humidity around. So here, let me have a look in the fault codes, because before the fault code is not going somewhere. Yeah, this catalyst system efficiency blow, that's something different, but the high deviation fault codes, the P123300, it's gone now. There is no more issue. So guys, I seen many videos on YouTube. People, they are changing blindly the high pressure fuel pump. So the same thing happened with this car. Someone replaced it, and after that it's giving the same issue. And here the high pressure fuel pump, it's not cheap. It's almost $300 US, or maybe $400 US here. So let me check one more time. Okay, so now the relative electrical fuel pump actual value is 35 psi, and it's increasing with the acceleration. So it's working fine now. There is no fault codes, but still there is like 50 psi drop with the actual set point and the current value. But anyway, if the PCM have no issue, why should I? So guys, if you like my video, kindly share my channel, subscribe it. Thank you so much. The old fuel pump is leaking. The fuel filter is leaking from the bottom, so that's why it's losing pressure. So I think if the difference is about to like set point values and with actual pressure, if there is a difference about 15 psi, it's not a issue. But if more than this, computer will set fault codes before immediately. It's giving the fault code. See, right now there is no fault code. I drove the car almost like 100 miles. It's perfectly fine, no problem. And that's it, guys. If it helps you, kindly share and subscribe my channel again. Thank you so much. Bye.